Hey guys, we received this Olafus 42-watt motion sensor outdoor light plug in play for test and try. So this is a motion flood light with the dusk to down and also have three separate LED things and the motion sensor with the 5000 lumen LED security light. So waterproof and motion activated. So let me just show it to you. You can see it's a compact thing and let me just open up. It's the motion sensor and the lights. So these are three different lights in here that you can use. For the good coverage, you can also like extend this, and you can also change or use the screwdriver to change up the stuff. So it's a plug and play. So let me just put it in the stuff, and you can see it's a really bright light and motion sensor as well. So there is a button that you can adjust the time, like how much time you want for that and how much thing you want to do, and you can also adjust this through the screwdriver set from the sides. So you can see like the different adjustment here, like the time, sensing, distance that you want to do. So how far the light should recognize, and then how to use so dusk to dawn or the motion sensing and stuff. So there are the different things that you can use for the distance also 19 feet to 72 feet with the timer, how much time long you want this light to on upon the activation of the motion and then things. So there's the screw that you can also use this to turn this and adjust. So just for the demo purpose, I'm just trying to do all these things in here. So you can just see quickly, but you can adjust this location and things through the screw open here and the buttons on the motion sensor to control these things. So I'm just trying to set it up. See, like if I come across, it will just turn up, but the light is really bright that I can surely say. And it's a waterproof thing with the plug and play. So this is basically you can put it anywhere you want with the plug. So a nice outdoor floodlight or the plug-in light.